Downtown Encinitas, heading towards the beach. Like I said this morning, the waves are going off right now. High surf advisory is pretty much the last advisory for the area. No more flood watch, thunderstorms, and any of that. It's just high surf now. No wind really. Didn't make it out too early, but I mean it's still, you know, almost 3 o'clock right now, and they're still pumping. So did get a glance when I pulled up to on PCH, and I could see him. So I'm gonna check it out and see if we get some good shots. Groms hanging out here, D Street.
Yeah, go back to sleep. Yeah. No smoke or incense or candles.
What's up? Dude, it's been cranking all day. It's crazy. Thought it would die off by now.
Yeah, it was bigger this morning. It's already starting to die.
I saw it like at 9 o'clock in Carlsbad, but damn.
They cover their cages.
Okay. Yeah. Dude, I'm curious. I'm gonna take a shot of your bike, man.
Okay.
Nice cover.
I originally saw your bike. How's that for a toy?
It's fun, yeah.
It's crazy. How long does it take to charge? How far will it go?
Like 3 hours.
How far will it go?
And it goes like 50 miles.
That's pretty good. Yeah. I mean, that's the future for sure.
Yeah.
So can you really take it on dirt and air,
Oh, yeah.
air and everything?
The redwoods.
No way.
Yeah.
What's the negative of it?
Well, not much at all. The price is kind of high.
How much?
4,500.
No, I thought it was like 12 grand.
No.
I've looked at the market and
This is my second one I have.
the high end is above 10 grand.
Yeah.
So what brand is this?
Sir Ron.
Was it?
Sir Ron.
Sir Ron?
Sir Ron. It's got a top speed of 53.
Damn.
Sir Ron.
It's fun. This is a big battery right here.
5 grand ain't bad at all, dude.
No, not really.
So my goal, I think it'd be cool to hook up some solar panels and like,
Oh, yeah.
put like a little
You know
trailer.
what somebody did? Somebody put a trailer
That's what I
with a
wanna do.
generator on it.
No way.
That's
badass.
Like, or an inverter that charges it.
Yeah.
And then it'd be like, I don't know, it'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, it does actually work like that too. It works while it's being charged.
I already bought an electric bike and sold it because I was disappointed with, yeah, it was just a long story, but I was just like waiting for it to get a little bit more developed.
Dope.
You got like 3 different cameras.
I know. Are you from Florida?
Oh no, I lived there before.
Got the old school Ron John.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I lived there 5 years, so it was fun.
Nice.
Yeah, Hawaii too.
Keep chasing this light in between the houses. Oh, look at that. guess because the background is Encinitas, that bus and a palm tree. World's greatest trash can, 1909 to 2022, Moonlight Beach. Okay. Basic though. ¿Es suyo todo? ¿Su trabajo? La casa no, ¿verdad?
No, obvio.
There's another Porsche. Maybe I should shoot a bunch of Porsches today if I see one. Maybe that'll be a new project to shoot Porsches. Porsche or Porsche? Maybe she won't see me. Nice car. Hat shop. Hi. Place is always packed. Roxy. Actually, I haven't been there. I heard the food's really good there. Again, this is my first full roll POV street photography video in Encinitas, downtown. This taco shop is super busy all the time. Usually there's a line. It's pretty good. Pretty legit. Tacos. Alright, we'll go one more street. I wish that neon sign was up right there. Wish it was turned on. Alright, we're gonna go back this way and try to hit some of these alleys. Got 14 shots so far. Let's go this way. My GoPro turned itself off because I ran out of battery. That was pretty fast actually. I have 3 Enduro batteries I purchased. One it came with, and then I bought 2 extras, and obviously this is the first time testing it. I didn't think I was out that long, but I was running at 5.3K, 30 frames per second. I don't know if that's the one that's gonna drain the battery the most, but Got a new battery in now, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off. I'm gonna go to another spot. Maybe I'll go down to Oceanside because I gotta meet up with a friend later on. All right, I'll see you guys next time, or later on this video, because I still got like 10 more shots on this roll. All right, bye. All right, I'm here at Mission Bay and by Belmont Park. Got about an hour and a half before sunset. I'm going to be shooting with the Nikon FM. Got the 105 2.5 again. Got a little bit of a 160 Portra left, about a half a roll. And I've also got with me a roll of Portra 800. So when it gets a little darker and sunset, I'll be able to use that. And also got an extra lens with me, 24mm 2.8. So we'll see how it goes. Dude, let me get a portrait of you, man. Let's do one. I got a really good portrait lens.
Wants to be the boss, man.
I'll give you the. I'll hook you up with the high res file. Let's find a good. It's film camera, bro. This is like an OG lens right here, 2.5.
My sister got one of those.
Yeah, so this is film. It's Portra, so it'll come out like really nice.
Am I gonna get a modeling gig after this, or
I
what?
don't know, man. That's for you.
Bro, come on.
You send someone the photo, you know. Let's do.
Taking photos and shit.
Yeah, street photography. I got it on video. I'm doing on video too. So like right here, we got the graffiti here. We got the color here. You got the color of the hat. You got the braids. You got the glasses. Though, you know, like right here with this in the background right here.
Oh yeah.
And then I'll blur. The whole background will be blurred because the lens is like real shallow.
Don't be rolling it though.
All right, man. You're in the shop, man.
How you gonna send it?
I'll just give you my. I'll give you my Instagram or my email, and then I'll send you the high res photo. All right, so no smile though, right?
Shit, just one picture or a couple?
No, I'll do a few. Let me get my lens right. Hold up. All right, I got the light right. All right, so screw over here. All right, no, further. Right there. Hold up. Let me get the glasses, the reflection of the glasses right there. Look down. Follow my right there. Let me scoot back now. Go this way. More. I want to get some of the color. Okay, right there. Yeah, that's nice right there. Hang on. That's gonna look sick. Here, just hit me up on any of these, man. I got you. I'll send you the high res and you do whatever you want with it.
Can I even smile?
Yeah, of course, man. I know, I just, people do, because when I tell people to smile, then they do like a fake smile, so you gotta do like, huh? Yeah.
Just like,
Or you wanna go down?
just whatever you feel like, but I just want to smile.
Hang on.
Hold on.
All right. Yeah. Got it. You're good, man. All right. See ya. All right, so that was pretty good. Hopefully those come out. They're well exposed. Hopefully get some good color on those. Damn. it's a little scary taking street portraits because, you know, if you fuck it up, then there's no, that's it. You gotta tell the dude like, oh man, I screwed up, sorry. And they're like, what the hell, spend all that time. But I like the way that guy's hat was, and the glasses were contrasting on the color there. Probably should have gone in some better light, but it's all good. Bokeh is gonna come out really nice because that was like a 3. It's like a 2.8 right there. That comes out nice. Okay, I forgot to turn on the camera, the GoPro, and I just got another portrait of these girls with skateboards, longboards. Sucks. Gotta get used to this. But anyways, yeah, just 2 girls with skateboards, and I got a couple shots of them. Super bright out right now still, so I was at like f8 and 1000 shutter speed. So it's still gonna come out nice because I was pretty far away, and we have just a lot of colorful backgrounds. I think it'll still come out nice. We'll see. But yeah, I totally forgot to turn the GoPro on. That sucked. Okay, back up north. Just came to Solana Beach, and I'm gonna finish off this roll of Portra160. That was, yeah, I'm gonna do, that was F16, I'm gonna shoot again. Way too, okay, let's try that again. That's F8. Let's see what's going on.
Take your dog off the beach or head north, dog door left, off the 9 hour, 150.